Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome to another weekly plan with me. So here is how this week looked. This is the week of April 18th through April 24th. Still have a few tasks to complete for the week, but they will get done. So this week that I am planning out is going to be the start of May. For some reason, I didn't even realize that it was going to be the start of May and I was going to pick a completely different kit, but I want that kit to match my monthly kit. So for the first full week of May, I'm going to use something totally different. So for this week, I wanted to use this HanCanPlan kit. It is her Mellow Yellow kit. I've been hanging on to this for quite a minute. I thought I could actually hang on to it for the month of August, but then I was like, who am I kidding? So here it is in all its glory. It is super, super beautiful. So, oh my gosh, so excited to get started. All right, let me get all these sheets situated around me and also get my tweezers. So we're gonna put the dates down, starting with the 25th on Monday, which also happens to be, when you're watching this, launch day for the new EC planners and all of their new themes. Oh my gosh, it's been really overwhelming isn't the right word, just that I can't decide on anything. And so part of me wants to be like, well, maybe I just decide on nothing. And then I know that that's not going to happen either. So who am I kidding myself, right? I have truly enjoyed, though, watching the content that has been created by everyone and all of the creative ideas that they have shared and how they're sharing their content. So that has been truly, truly awesome. All right, almost done with these with the help of some good old tweezers. And then I just need to add the first way over here. Okay, so I think I want to start off with this darker washi right here and just set this here. I think the last time, let's start on the inside. I think the last week when I used this kit, there's a little bit, yep, there's a little bit that's got to be trimmed off. Not a whole lot, so that is fine. Hopefully get this. It's a little, not that much to take off. And then the same thing for the other side. I love the washi selection that Hannah provides for you because you just have a lot of really good sizes to choose from. So now this side might be a little bit more challenging because it's not that much to cut off, but I still don't, I don't like that it's hanging over there. All right, there we go. Goodness, I did not think that that was gonna come off. All right, date covers are down. Now I think for the bottom washi, I'm going to use this sheet right here. I just really like the size of it. It's a good one. It just covers like just the right amount while still leaving like that 7 o'clock hour for me, which I love. And I'm just going to cut off this last little bit right here because I don't really like the way that that's hanging over. Plus I might use a box down there on that side. And now let's get this side down. All right, so let's talk about launch things. I feel like, you know, everybody's talking about it, right? So why not just continue the conversation? I know that I'm going to get an hourly. That for sure I know. Horizontal is an absolute no for me. And I don't like vertical simply because I need lines. I've seen like a huge shift in a lot of people going back to vertical, and I can definitely understand why, simply because there's just a great deal of space that can be used for like different categories and things like that. All right, I think I'm going to use this washi for my weekend sticker. But for me personally, I'm definitely going to stick with hourly. This has just been like, since they've come out with the hourly planner, the thing that has worked for me. I've tried other things, and I always end up coming back to this planner because, I mean, that's definitely a sign of it working for me, right? All right, so let's get this down. I love the way that that looks on top of this washi. Oh, so pretty. Next up, let's do the sidebar. I think last week I used this box and I didn't even end up using it, so I don't think I'm going to put it in this spread, but I think what I'll definitely do is cover up this little calendar with, I think I may actually use this full box right here, and then the habit trackers can go right above it, if that makes sense. Oh, let's switch it around so that we have different patterns next to each other. I don't know if you guys are like that, but I definitely am. All right, and then I know she has a this week sticker, so I'm going to use that way up here because I don't think I'm actually going to put a box up at the top. We're just gonna leave it as is, especially because the gray on the print looks really, really good with this kit. All right, so let's start off with videos for the week. So on Monday, obviously there's going to be this plan with me. It's basically going to be an all plan with me week. Wednesday will be a daily plan with me. And then Saturday, because that's looking like it's going to be my new upload date, is going to be my May plan with me. And I kind of messed up that sticker, but I don't want to throw it away, so it's going to be used. Videos are down. So before I continue, I want to mark out the area for meals before I forget, because I want to make sure that I have that space there before I get all decorative in my planner. Okay, so as far as big work things, on Monday, don't have any meetings. On Tuesday morning, I have a meeting at 10 o'clock, so I want to make sure that I mark that off. And I think I'm actually just going to use these little dots because they just take up less space, and I do like the way that they look. And then I have another meeting at 2, or actually an interview. No, a meeting at 2 and an interview at 2:30. Oh, goodness. And I'm still just going to put it down at the 3 o'clock hour just because it looks too smushed, I think, being right on top of each other. That's fine. All right, and then I have a meeting on Wednesday at 10 o'clock. So I'm going to use this dot over here. And let's flip this book because that coil always gets in the way. And then on Thursday, I have an 11 o'clock meeting. Looking good. All right, now let's work on my evening stuff. So on Tuesday night, I want to spend some time editing, and that's going to be for Wednesday. And I'm going to use these stickers also from HanCanPlan. I love them. I'm probably going to need to order some more here soon. And since I don't have to upload until Saturday, I'll probably still edit on Thursday. I just have like less pressure to have everything like completely done and ready. If I do it on, if I publish the video on Saturday, it just kind of just works out better. And according to YouTube, more people will watch videos on Saturdays. So we will actually see how that goes. Now on the other parts of the evening, I do want to work out. So Monday, I love these flags so much. I know that I said that last week, but I really, really do love these. They're just like a planner classic, you know? All right, not gonna work out Friday night, maybe Saturday. This will actually probably be Saturday during the day, but I'm still gonna put it down here. And I have these workout stickers from Christiane Designs. It's like in the typewriter font. So I'm gonna use those for the workouts for the week. I'm probably also gonna get in a workout on Sunday. Just need to see what the schedule is going to allow. I would really ideally like to work out 4 days a week. I know some people work out way more than that, but 4 days is right now what I want to stick to. So there's that. 3 if I'm lucky, but 4 would be like ideal what the goal is for the week. Okay, so on Monday afternoon, I have got a doctor's appointment at 2 o'clock. And that is to kind of do like my annual blood work and stuff for my thyroid. It's not really annual because I do have it done twice a year, but that's what that is for. So hopefully everything is looking good and we don't have to do a whole lot of other follow-up things because I have been down that road plenty of times. And one thing that I don't want to forget is on Friday, I am going to do another Friday Night Live. I absolutely love those things. And I want to use, I think maybe this little, let's do the phone because that seems fitting for Instagram Live. That'll be a fun live to talk about what everyone decided to order. Or maybe you're like me and you're almost contemplating waiting on ordering simply because there's so many decisions, so many. All right, so for the Monday through Friday-ish portion of the week, I do want to get down some of these full boxes because I know that those are all filled in for the week. So one of the habits that I am changing is what day we do our laundry. I feel like I've changed this up like 3 times already, but I feel like it's important to revisit habits frequently and make sure that they're actually working for you. So now that I work from home on Fridays, that has actually been the ideal day for me to do laundry. Like I said, I'm right here by the laundry room. In between emails and calls and all of that stuff, I can just toss things in the washer and move them over to the dryer, which reminds me that I need to mark off a couple of other things like payday on Thursday. So let's use this deco sheet and mark off payday. And let's see, let's just put this right about here. And then Friday is trash day. And we're gonna put that right about here. Perfect, perfect fit. And then I'm gonna fill it with this full box. God, the yellow in this kit is so freaking pretty. And then I think I'm gonna put this little to-do list right about here on Friday, just because this is where I can kind of put some of the things that I'm able to get done because I am at home. I love the way that that looks. Okay. All right, on Saturday, we definitely need to work on the meal plan. I feel like I did a good meal plan this past week, and then suddenly it was just like, where did all of the food go? I do have 2 adult children living with us, so that's probably exactly where it went. Let's see, we're gonna put clean house on Sunday, but I do wanna clean some things on Saturday, but we'll just put it over here on Sunday. I do have some things that I want to film on Saturday, so I'm going to put a half box right about here on Saturday afternoon so I can get those things filmed and ready to go for the week. And then I'm going to use a family time sticker right about here for Saturday. I probably could have moved the workout up. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna do it just like this. That'll work. All right, and then on to Sunday, that is definitely going to be a grocery day. I love how she has like a matching icon for all of the text as well, because I like to layer those things together, so I can appreciate that she includes those. Let's see, groceries, clean house, and then I definitely want to, in the afternoon, sit down and work on my goals for the week. And then what I thought would be cute is to use this planner and just put like launch day or something right up there. I almost never use the little planner that comes in her kit, so that would be cute. It's actually launch day for like if you have an EC Insider thing. If you don't, it's on Tuesday, but launch day for most of us, so excited about that. Again, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna order, but I will keep you guys posted. All right, I feel like I'm forgetting to put something down, but I'm almost certain. Oh, the laundry that I said I was gonna do. Well, I can put that there. Now, I still do want to do like the midweek laundry over here, and that's like for towels and blankets and other things, so I think I'm still gonna put that down somewhere. I thought there was a laundry basket. Maybe that's one of the icons that she doesn't have for her kits, and that's totally fine, but we're gonna use this yellow for Wednesday. Okay, not too bad. I still have quite a few stickers left over. She includes so much in her kit, so I can always use these if I feel the need to add some things or move some things around. I still have some decorative boxes, things like that, so still plenty left to plan with. All right, so that's how this week is looking. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure that if you're already subscribed that you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are being posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.